Molweni namkelekile nonke kweziChisabe Entertainment. Yaze yabuhlungu i-episode yokugqibela of Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, amagama kaDade uMusa Mseleko asahlaba nangoku apha kum. Imagine uba uMakhumalo ufila njani if mna as a viewer ndizova kabuhlungu kangaka. Anyways, before singene kuMakhumalo, I would like to congratulate uMakhwela ekungumfazi wesihlanu kaDade uMusa Mseleko. They did welcome ke unyana wabo ngoJanuary njengoba sesovezelwa ngoApril. So why guys, I'm really confident ke kwizipazi zaseMzumbe because kudala kaloku sasivezela into yoba uSamke ukhulelwe and when eteta they were the first people to say uSamke ke seyizalile ngoku. Furthermore, uSamke uzele umntwana wenkwenkwe. So zonke izinto ngoku abazitshoyo eMzumbe sendizozibeliever. So huge massive congratulations ke to Dade Musa and uSamke Khwela. Unfortunately guys, bezingoMakhumalo ke izolo uDade Musa Mseleko siyambona ke bakwedina and amakhosikazi afuna ukwazi ba why umayeni engafikanga. uDade Musa Mseleko atsho into, but the reason as to why engafikanga is because of into eyachiwoyo ngoba udelusional. Uthi ke I don't think uDade Musa Mseleko saw this one coming, waveza into kokubana ndavumelana naye ndathi yes, in fact babe right babathi udelusional because of behavior yakho. uMakhumalo ke ayothuke lonto ba hayibo why uzomenshina mna xa usilwa very well nomaye relationship yabo ikanjani. I understand. So uMakhumalo obviously after leyo conversation was put off as a result throughout idina ebekwifoni yakhe engafuni into ezomdibanisa noDade Musa Mseleko up until ipoint ke apho uDade Musa Mseleko ebeveza into ba hey inkosikazi yazi uke uyiqoqe, then once uyiqoqe uyithathe amanye amadoda by the way engambona uba this one is fit enough to be a wife, then once wamqoqa ukubona as if uyirabhishikazi yento nje. That is the only time ke uMakhumalo abuye ngayo wambuza into kokubana mina ke as uMakhumalo ngake ngakwenza yini irubbish, ngake ngakudisrespecta ngale ndlela wena ongidisrespecta ngayo. Unfortunately uChris failed ukuphendula, but rather waya kwi-diary session apho ke amagama awathethileyo kuMakhumalo are still so painful to me. Wathi uDade Musa Mseleko uMakhumalo utshintshe kakhulu. Athi uthando lwam ngoMakhumalo fune ulibheke kanje, ungalibheki ngokuthi kukhona asinikeza kona ukuthi siphile. No, ungakubuki kanjalo. Guys, I had to write this down because ayibo amazwe abuhlungu kanje. Uthi ke kubuke ekuhlulekeni kwakhe ukusinikeza something yokuvikela lo muzi, which is what kahle kahle ngamlethela kona lana kwaMseleko. Angimlethelanga zonke lezi ezinye izinto azenzayo, which is financial assistance kumina. That is just a bonus yabo, but lokho engamlethela kona wehlulekile ukwenza. Hawe ma guys, lawo mazwi lawo waphinde futhi waqhubeka wathi uMakhumalo uyathanda ukuzikhukhumalisa as though she would be where she is today irrespective of the fact that ushadele la kwaMseleko. Kanti no, lama brand deals nalama businesses anawo namhlanje is because of isibongo sakaMseleko, but without the name ngabe akekho la akhona namhlanje. Ngalowo magama ke uDade Musa Mseleko ambabhayise ngawo uMakhumalo kule season. Unfortunately uMakhumalo uye wasukuma kwedina wathi ubongile hamba ke kanjalo. This is the only time whereby I was crossing fingers ukuthi by ekuthile leya ndawo amazwi awashilo ebetshelwa ama-producer ayi ukuthi asuka kuyena vele umthombeni. So yeah, thoughts ngiyacela si-engage-ane, enizonibona on the next one. Bye.